Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to work on a lens I have wanted for a long time. That's the 135 2.8 and is the Nikon Series E lens. Okay, and then this lens apparently is really good, and it is not very easy to find, or not as easy as one might think. And then I finally found a copy, and bad luck, this one has some fungus, but I don't remember reading on the selling post whether the fungus was already there or it was because I left the lens in the box like for 2 months, and then when I opened it the fungus was there, and then no really a chance of complaining due to that. But anyway, this is a good opportunity to show you how to work on this lens. Okay, so the fungus is behind the front element. You can take a look at the fungus there. We are going to remove that just after. I can see also a few specks of dust on the inside, so what we're going to do is first take care on the inside. So if you have fungus or haze on the inside of your lens, you can take care of that. So, and then to open this lens, it is extremely simple. So I'm just moving the zoom, the focusing out, just to discover this little set screw that you have here. Check my focusing, and then with all set screws you just need to unscrew it just a bit. You don't have to remove it, and we stay there, and then just for comfort just move out the hood, and then you will be able to unscrew the lens. Okay, so we have reached the interior. I can see the dust that was on the, that we could see from the outside. I can see it here. So very simple thing. We can blow, and then we are done with that. And then same thing here on the inside. And then we have removed the dust, and then as you can see I got a new blower. I saw it on the internet and I got it just for fun. It wasn't really expensive, and then you can see my old one. They would look exactly the same except for the tip here, which is in plastic, and then here this one is metal, and then I had to protect it with some rubber around the pipe, just not to scratch the lens. So I will try to find this and put it on the video description, so you can also get this thing here. And then seems to work really good and very easy to handle, fits perfectly in your hand. Okay, so we have done the dust removal. That was extremely quick and very simple. Here you can see that you access the diaphragm as well, and I see it is held by 3 little set screws that you cannot see from the outside. So my guess, and this is just a guess, is that if you remove the rubber here, you will find a tape holding this part here with the numbers and the top ring here that I'm touching with my fingers. So, and if you remove that, you will be able to move the top part and maybe access those set screws, but then this is just speculation. I am not sure of that, and we're not going to disassemble the diaphragm because in this case it is in very good condition. Okay, so we just remove the dust, and to reassembly Okay, and then if you have fungus or something like haze or so, just keep with the video, because I'm going to show you how to clean fungus from the front, so that will apply also for the interior in case it is in poor condition. Okay, so now to put it, you can see here that there is a mark here on the thread, and then this is where the set screw goes in. So to make sure I'm not going to deform the thread with the set screw further, I put a little mark, and then what I do when I'm going to screw this thing, just to make sure that the set screw is going to align with the mark. This is what I just did. You need to tighten just a little bit, and usually the set screw should go in without any difficulty. If you feel it's not getting in, the reason is maybe it's touching a thread, and then yeah, that means you will be deforming the thread. Okay, just let me tighten a bit. Okay, so we remove the dust from the interior. Looks rather good now, as you can see. Now we're going to remove the front. So, and there is a retaining ring that you have here. If you are lucky, no, I have this rubber tubes that fit exactly this dimension here. You can try with them your luck to see if this thing unscrews. I hope it does, but personally myself, I had to use my spanner in the beginning just to get the first kick, and then get the ring loose, and then once the ring is loose, you can simply use the rubber tube and then here you go. And this is something I always find funny, is these Series E lenses were supposed to be the low cost, the cheap lenses of the time of Nikon, but if you take a look at them, the build quality is just fantastic. It is as good as, I don't know, mid-range lenses of today. I mean, the build and the bayonet, even the bayonet is metal. What you find today in most lenses is plastic, doesn't hold. And then yesterday I was working on a Sigma lens, and then this very same ring was, I don't know, a third of the width. So I guess they do that to save cost. And then see this one, and then I am reminding you, this is supposed to be a low cost lens of the time. Anyway, now we have removed the ring, and we need to take out this element here. And now, just for the sake, okay, I put it again because I am not ready. I'm just looking for something to put on top. Okay. This, and then now we are going to do the cleaning. First thing, we want to remove that fungus. So I use what is inside this yellow bottle, is my recipe to remove fungus. that you can find on this video here. And once you have the solution to remove fungus, or you have your own solution, you simply spread that. That will be the first step. Then I clean the surplus of the solution. With a microfiber cloth. Well, this is an old one. And then, well, you can see there is some dirt due to the microfiber cloth, which is not new, but then the fungus are actually gone. Now we can proceed to the actual cleaning. So to do that, I pick my box of cleaning items. This is a microfiber cloth, lens cleaning fluid I have here. You can also find on the video description. And then, yeah, quite a few things: lens cleaning paper, tweezers, cotton swabs, yeah, many things useful for cleaning lenses. But then the most useful and the ones that use the most is the lens cleaning fluid and the microfiber cloths. So pre-cleaning and cleaning. The procedure is very simple. We add the lens cleaning fluid, we come with the microfiber cloth, wipe, and it looks already very clean. So we come to do the final cleaning with a new microfiber cloth. And then everything looks very good. So here you go. Now what we need to do to finish, so we remove any traces of dust. I'm not going to worry a lot about the front of the lens, because this is the front part. We can clean it anytime. Now I bring back the lens, and then I realize I put quite some dirt in. We blow, and at the same time we put the front element. Looks very clean. There's still some little specks of dust. I'm going to take care of that after I finish the video, but then I will just want to show you so you get the idea. Then to finish the assembly, we put the ring. And then here you go, a very nice lens for a low price that you can enjoy for 20 more years. And this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.